Yes, this is the milling area. This is the receiver trough, and that is the entrance. Part of the flour is here. Then here is the magnetic catcher. Catcher is in case the maize flour or cassava flour has some metal particles before it enters the mill. Then this is the belt conveyor, and here is the motor for regulating the belt, how it moves, and here is the mill. This is a 3-ton mill per hour. Yes, so that is the pipe taking the flour. That is the process side for starch, converting the starch into glucose. This is where we are. And here are the pumps with a standby pump. And here is the heat exchanger for cooling the material, known as spiral heat exchanger. So that is the top. Culture vessels, and these are the control valves. Some more work is going on, and here is our saccharification tanks, and behind there is the liquefaction tanks, as you see them, with their agitating motors. And here we have a mashing tank, and this is a mixing trough. Then there is a weighing scale plus a cyclone. Then here we have a control valve to regulate the flow of steam to the steam jet cooker. This one does faster boiling to break the starch into simple starch. So the material enters from the top, and the steam enters from the side of the heating jacket. Then all this material is transferred to those tanks, as you can see them. Yes. Then this is the chemical dosing tank for enzymes. And inside here we have the electric panel. We have the electric panel. And some of our operators are here. Yeah, we are resting because we're going to another shift of running, and running the plant. So this is the starch process, and its connections. So that is the cooling tower, So this one, the first one is for starch and fermentation, and this one is for the distillery. The distillery is that side, and these are the fermenters.
This thing is serious.
This one is small. Hey.
Is it small?
Huh? This one. So that is the distillation part. This one is very small, I'm telling you.